Hello, I've got a couple of problems in my kitchen. The first being, I've got this ugly gap between my fridge and the cooker. The second though, luckily, is I don't have enough storage in here. What I picked up earlier this year was some of these old shopping baskets. What I'm thinking is with those baskets and some pallet wood, I can make something to sort out my storage problem and fill that gap. To be able to make something out of this wood, I really need it to be in panels. So that's the first job. I'm going to grab a hand plane and put a straight edge on the side of these, the edge of these, then I can get them glued up into some panels. I left my panels overnight to dry. Now I can get them all cut down, and what I'm going to use is the table saw and the track saw to do this. I'm going to start getting this unit together, just making it into a box with 4 pieces, and I'm just going to use some screws to get these attached. So I now need a couple of shelves in here for these baskets to go on. So what I've done is cut down a couple of blocks of wood. They're going to need spacers so I can get the shelves at the correct height. So I showed you where this is going to go under the counter. At the moment, there's that gold coloured metal pole holding up the countertop. I'm going to have to remove that to get it in, so I need something to hold up the countertop. So what I'm going to do is just stick a block of wood on the top here, and then the top of this can be extra storage. So I'm just going to get this cut down and screwed into place. I'm going to add one more panel to this, and that's a bit on the back so that things can't push through and fall out behind it. So I think that's all the wooden aspects of it put together, but I've got some shelves in the kitchen at the moment that were just pine, and I stained them a darker colour. And I've got some of that stain left, so I'm going to do this so it all ties in with the existing wood in there. Last night I got the stain on this and I went in the house and I had a look at the gap that it's going to go in, and I realised my mistake. I'd put this block over to this side. Well, that wouldn't even contact with the countertop. I hadn't thought it through. So I had to come back out here in the dark. I actually didn't even put the lights on. I had a torch in my hand, unscrewed this, and this morning I've changed the location of it. Why you should always plan your projects. So now I'm going to get this finished with some tung oil. Right, time to try and get this installed, and we'll see if it's actually going to fit in that gap. Before I can get this installed, the first thing I need to do is get this bar removed. Right, let's get this into place. Ah, perfect. So it fitted in the gap perfectly, and the baskets fit in there, so I'll call that a win-win. Actually, it's a four-way win, because it also it's tidied up this space and given me some extra storage in the kitchen, which is what I wanted. So now I can go shopping and get some vegetables. So thank you for watching. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.